Hi, let's talk about this full view pivot door. This pivot door is powder coated black. It's 5 feet wide by 8 feet tall. This is a very common pivot door size. What I like most about this pivot door is this beautiful door pull. This door pull has been finished in our walnut wood. This is hardwood, it's not laminate. So what you see here is nearly 2-inch thick walnut by 4-inch wide. This walnut door pull is protected with metal. The walnut is only to the exterior so that you're able to interact with it aesthetically. But the sides, the back, the top and bottom are all protected from the elements. This door pull will never warp because it's completely protected by the metal. This door pull is also available in white oak, teak, wash teak, or mahogany. So as you can see, this door pull can be catered to match whatever themes you have in your home. I like this pivot door because rather than being a very cold glass and metal pivot door, the natural wood adds a lot of warmth. Thank you very much.